Sometimes our homes are orientated in such a way as to limit the amount of cross-flow ventilation we're able to achieve. When it's very hot and a cool breeze comes along, we want to be able to maximise that breeze coming through our homes to cool it quicker. In this case, the home is orientated in such a way that the breeze comes this way and bypasses the open door. One way to alleviate that is to make a screen this side of the door. It can be something like a physical screen, a lattice for example, or maybe some kind of dense vegetation like bamboo or the like. That will cause a higher build-up of air pressure here, and that will encourage the breeze then to enter the home and cool your home quicker.